Hey guys, Happy New Year. It is time for the drawing, and I have my friends here. I have Trixie and Ari, and they are going to do the drawing for the Mystic Recode session. So we'll see how this goes. You know what they say, working with kids and animals. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all of the beautiful connections that we made in 2025, and 2026 is going to be fabulous. This is going to be our year to make things happen and to really connect with ourselves. All right, you guys ready? Ari has designated himself official draw meister. All right, let's give you a cheat sheet. Cheat sheet. All right. All right, drum roll, please. Pick us one. Oh, who did we pick? Let's see. Can you open that for me? Who is it? Who is it, Ari? Let's see. Oh, looky there. It's Catherine. Congratulations, Catherine. I will be in touch by email to give you your prize. Here we go. Ready? What do we got? Oh, who is that, huh? Let's see. Help me open it. You're going to help me open it? Woo. All right, pull it open. See who it is. All right, let's see. Let's see. Open. One more flap. Oh, looky there. It's Lorelei. Lorelei, you win a free Mystic Recode session. Congratulations. I will be in touch by email to give you all the details and what I need. Thanks, you guys, to all who entered, and that was fun. So I'll probably do another drawing for another type of session here soon. So stay tuned. If you would like to sign up for the newsletter, just go to my website, natashaparvin.com, and fill out the subscriptions form and just click subscribe. And next time I do a contest, I will send out an announcement and then you can enter. Thanks, you guys. Good job. Good job. Uh-oh.